Apple has just released the macOS Sequoia 15.2 developer beta, and it comes with the Image Playground app that lets you generate images based on text prompts. If you don't want to wait for the stable release and want to test this feature right now, here's how to install the macOS 15.2 developer beta on your Mac. To install the macOS 15.2 developer beta on Mac, you have to first sign up for the Apple developer beta account if you have not already done so. It's free and you can sign up right now. I covered how to do this in a previous video that I am adding here so you can follow it step by step. Launch Safari on your iPhone and visit developer.apple.com. You can find its link in the video description. Tap the menu button in the top left corner and use the account option to log in with your account details. If you're signing in for the first time, you will get a splash screen explaining the developer account. Tap on the continue button to proceed. Scroll down the legal document and check the confirmation box. Now tap the submit button. Finally, tap the enroll today button to register as a developer. You can now sign out of Apple developers website. Once you sign up for the developer account, use the Apple menu to launch the system settings app. Open the general settings and click on software update. Click the I button next to the beta updates option and then click on drop down menu. Choose the macOS Sequoia 15.2 beta option and wait for the update to load. Once the update is available, click the update now button to install it. After the installation is complete, open Launchpad and you will see the Image Playground app is ready to use. Note that if you live outside the US, you will have to change the language and region to the United States to use Apple Intelligence features. You can click the I button or the link in the video description to learn how to do that. And that's about does it for this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel to see our coverage of Image Playground and other macOS Sequoia 15.2 and iOS 18.2 features. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.